Hey you beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Rahat. I know, every time I promise and I don't come up with a new video like since 2 weeks I guess. I haven't posted anything. I'm so sorry, I was busy with something and also my mood wasn't that great to shoot any video for you guys. Well, I decided to shoot a makeup look and I knew that it has to be a very nice and bam makeup look. So here is this makeup look right here, you guys. I created this for a wedding guest, or if your roka is happening, baat pakki and all of that. So you can definitely ace this look for those functions. And yeah, after a long time I'm wearing pink lips here. If you want, you can change this to nude, red, browns, anything as per your preference. Also what you're wearing. So yeah, you can definitely customize that. And yeah, all the product details would be in the description box, and do check that out. And yeah, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, you guys, before you leave, and also press the bell icon for future videos. I am not gonna take this long next time. So yes, my lovelies, that's all for the intro, and I am not gonna waste any more time of yours, and let's get into the video.
So my brows are already done and I have used Swiss Beauty's brow powder for that. And let's start off with our eyes. And here I'm using some concealer. This is a new one. I will give you the name and shade in the description box. So yeah, I'm gonna prime my eyelids with it. And yeah, after a decade, I'm gonna use my Wet n Wild's palette. I used to love this palette so much back in the days, you guys, and I don't remember when the last time I used it. So yeah, I'm gonna just take that transition shade from the palette and start applying it into my crease. Next, I'm going to take this even more darker shade, darker brown from the palette, to intensify my crease even further. And as you can see, I'm not going to go up and just concentrate below my crease. It's all about blending, you all know that. So I'm just gonna go back to the previous shade and blend this out like thoroughly so that it looks seamless and nicely blended. Now I'm gonna take this K Beauty's shadow stick here, and I will give you the shade in the description as usual. So I'm gonna apply this in the middle of my eyelid like so. And then here I have taken Nicka K's palette, and I'm gonna take this green shade from the palette, and wow, you can see the intensity and the payoff of that color. Oh my god, it took me like blown away. So yeah, I'm just gonna apply that on the top of that blue shade which I applied, and I'm gonna just diffuse the corners with the darker brown shade. So that's how it looks now, and I will just finish the other eye, and here it is. And now I will just take my NYX Epic Incliner, and I will draw a very nice winged eyeliner here. Alright, eyes are done. Let's start off with our face now, and you know that I will start off with my moisturizer, and I will take a good amount of that and apply. And then I'm gonna take my primer. For that I have taken my Color Bars primer here, and I will concentrate that into my T-zone. And after this I will do some color correction here, and for that I have taken my NYX Dark Circle Concealer. And yeah, you can see I will just apply that under my eyes, around my mouth, and all of the areas which has some sort of discoloration. And look who's here, Milani 2-in-1 perfect foundation, the oldest and the best friend of mine. Like, I used to apply this a lot back in the days. I mean, I cannot just recall when did I use it last. So yeah, here I have applied that with my finger, and then I'm gonna blend this out with a brush. This brush is from Smashbox, by the way. Now for concealer, I've got this new concealer by Shopperelle. I use it for my brides, so here I'm using it for myself today. So as you know, I'm gonna conceal and highlight at the same time, so I'm applying this on usual areas of mine. And for cream contour, my LA Girl Pro Conceals concealer, I will give you the shade in the description. So it wasn't ready to come out, but somehow I managed to take it out. And yeah, here I'm contouring my face with it. Let's blend this out now, and voila, I wish it was that easy and that quick. And to set everything in place, I've got my K Beauty's loose powder here, and I will start just setting my under eyes and rest of my face with it. And obviously I'm not gonna show this full footage because it is gonna take like the whole lot of time. And then for bronzer, I've taken my Kiko's bronzer and I will bronze up my face real quick. And then for blush, I have taken my Physicians Formula's blush here. And then here I'm just giving some depth and cutting to my skin, like my jawlines and stuff. And then I'm gonna set everything in with my PAC's Micro Fixer. And now it's time to do our lower lash line. So I have taken that orangey burnt orange shade from the palette, and I will just apply that into my lower lash line like so. And to intensify that even more, I'm going to take that same brown shade from the palette and I will just blend that out thoroughly. And then for mascara, I have taken my Colossal here and I will apply that into my lower lash line. For highlighter, my Precious Petals by Wet n Wild, and look at that glow. Oh my god, I just love this highlighter so much, you guys. This is so inexpensive and so worth it. So yeah, if you haven't tried it yet, do get your hands on this. And here I'm applying this on all usual areas of mine where I prefer to apply. So yeah, here I'm gonna just highlight my nose as well, and I will apply that into my inner corners and my brow bones. Now, if you don't know, you have to sharpen the pencil before you apply that. So I forgot that totally over here and then I sharpened and applied it. And for my lip liner, I have taken my Kiko's lip liner and I will just start applying or lining my lips with it. For lipstick, I have taken this very beautiful shade from LA Colors and I will just start applying that. So here I just changed my outfit and I'm gonna wear this beautiful earrings by Zaveri Pearls. Oh my god, these earrings are so beautiful, you guys, but too heavy to wear like at the same time, so I cannot bear the pain. I mean, I cannot wear them for more than an hour. So yeah, here I'm just pairing them with this outfit right here. You can wear this look for your roka, for your engagement, for any of the functions like mehndi, or even if you're attending a wedding. I mean, and if you want to look that glamorous, and look at this look. Oh my god, I really liked this look, how it turned out. And yeah, do let me know in comments down below, how did you like this video and this look right here. I would love to read your comments, you guys, and I do wait for your comments, you know that. And do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel before you leave, you guys, and hit the bell icon for future videos of mine. I'll make sure that I'll be posting frequently now, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.